Hi, I'm Jill Davis, a 7th and 8th grade English language arts reading teacher at Splendora Junior High. I am also the instructional technology coordinator for our campus. As teachers, we are always looking for fun ways to review our students on key information. A lot of teachers use Kahoot, and as a result, the students find the novelty is just worn off. Quizlet Live has a similar platform which can take your game to the next level. Quizlet Live is a collaborative, high energy review game. It is based on the online flashcard platform that Quizlet has been known for years. Students are sorted into groups and work together to answer all 12 questions correctly in a row to win. All students may not have the correct answer. Quizlet Live is our topic for this week's Tech Tip Tuesday. In order to do Quizlet Live, you go first to the Quizlet.com website. You locate your quiz that you want to give your kids, and in this case, I'm going to be using the plot quiz that I have here on my screen. And you go ahead and open that up, and over on the left side of your screen, you will see In Class, and here it's got Live. So when I click on In Class Live, it will ask me what type of in-class live activity I want to do. And for this video, we are doing Classic Live. So I click on Classic Live, and it will ask me if I want to do individuals or teams. And with teams, the great thing is that every answer on a teammate's screen is not going to contain the correct answer. So they'll have 4 choices, but they may not have 4 correct choices. Only one teammate will have the correct. So you can set your kids side by side and have them work together with both screens, or you can set them separately and they have to figure it out and not necessarily choose an answer, which is super hard for kids because they assume that the right answer is going to be there. So for this, we're going to select random teams. And once I've done that, it's going to ask, do I want to show the definition and give the term, or show the term and give the definition? For this video, again, we're going to do definition and term. And it will bring me to this screen. Now, I've already got players in my screen, but normally it would be blank. Once I have this screen, I share it with kids, and kids go to Quizlet.live, and they see this screen. So when they go to Quizlet.live, they will be able to enter this game number. And you also have a QR code, so if they just want to go up and scan it, they can do that. Or if I were to scroll down just a little bit, there is a URL, and I could share that out through email or whatever format that I want to share that with students, so they can just click on the link and go to the game. You do have to have a minimum of 4 players. So once they are in the game, I'm going to select Create Game, and it shows me what teams everybody is sorted into. So if I want to reshuffle that, I have that option, or I'm going to go ahead and start the game. And when I start the game, again, students click this and they type in their number. And if they log in before I'm ready to start the game, it'll actually let them start going through the questions and answers so they can study ahead of time, which of course gives them a leg up. So this is a great benefit once your kids realize that the quicker they get logged in, the more chance they have of doing well on the quiz. So once I start the game, it shows the students which team they're on. So in this case, we have Steve and Princess in frogs. And then it will show the kids a question and the answer. And as I said, it may not give a correct answer. So a sequence of events in literary work, well, none of these would be correct for that. So, or main hero, that's a protagonist. So we can go through, and then as they get a question right, it puts a check and deletes it from their screen so that they don't get any new answers. They lose that question, it gets a check. So this particular screen, the person has answered 2 correct questions. As a teacher, you can watch from your screen. At this point in time of the game, nobody has any answers, but then as students answer the questions correctly, it moves up. If they miss a question, it takes away all their points and they have to start over. So they do have to work through all of the questions and get the questions right. And so when they finally get to a winner, so in this case, frogs won and the ostrich team was in last place. The frogs get a congratulations and we end our game. You have the choice at this time to reshuffle the teams or play with the same teams, and you can play another game. Links and tutorials for Quizlet Live can be found under the Digital Learning button on the SISD Teaching and Learning Hub. Just press the Canvas button on your ClassLink portal and open up your Teaching and Learning Hub. Then choose the Digital and Online Learning button to find this app and lots of other great tech tip tools. I hope this tech tip will make your life and reviewing your students just a little bit easier. Meet us back here next time for another Tech Tip Tuesday.